Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on your Cr85. First, you want to get the bike on a good surface, not like this bench. You can't access the oil drain bolt. If it's easy, just get it up on a wall like me. For this, you'll need a wrench, an extension, a 17mm wrench, a funnel, and some oil. I hope you guys can see. Alright, I cracked it loose. They just let it drain. Now you just wanna open up the oil fill cap. And since I warmed up my bike, pretty much all of it got out. So just leave that there for a little bit, and I'm gonna clean everything around it. Alright, so I just let all the oil drain and put the plug back in right now. So right now we're just gonna start filling the oil back up. So we're gonna start filling it back up. And I think I forgot to mention that I started the bike before and then let it cool down so all the oil can just flow out easily. I'm gonna start filling it back up now. And I hope you guys can see. Let's see. Oop, let me just take this off real quick. Alright, so I got this off, so let's just start filling up a little bit. This is the oil check bolt. So I heard once oil starts flowing out of this, then it's pretty good. Oh, there's the oil, so let the excess oil drain out. That's all extra oil right there, so. Alright, so you just put that oil plug thing back in and everything, and you're all set. You just did an oil change.